Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video from Jubilee, and it's called 6 male virgins versus 1 fake one. So basically, you just have to figure out who the non-virgin is. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know if you actually followed along and if you got it right. We're just going to get right into it. Appreciate you guys for watching, man. See you later.
I'm a virgin.
And I'm a virgin.
I'm a virgin.
And I'm a virgin.
I'm a virgin.
I'm a virgin.
And I'm a virgin.
That black guy is not a fucking... That guy with the blonde hair is not. I just called it, man. Remember, I'm normally right with these ones. Remember good.
Why are you virgins?
I grew up like Christian, so my mom was the main one that was like, make sure you wait, and so I don't know, it kind of stuck with me.
For me, I grew up religious like you, but I'm 20 now, so even for the past 3 years, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the religious aspect anymore. I'm just bad with women.
Keep it real, I'm Muslim.
Shocker.
For me, it's like, why not just wait and do it through the Sharia, do it through the Deen, because you know it's not worth going to hellfire for me.
So for me, it's kind of a lot of reasons. One, I was a super late bloomer.
Ain't no way in hell this nigga wearing Yeezy slides out here talking about. I don't believe him.
I was sexually attracted for the first time like 4 years ago. Looking like I do, women usually aren't like bursting to get down on this, so I haven't had anything sort of just like fall into my lap. Yeah, it's not a priority right now.
Does anyone know about sexual transmutation?
No.
Essentially, the desire you have to have sex is a very strong desire, especially if you're a man. Put it into the work, put it into the gym. Watch what will happen. You will hit every goal.
So that's kind of my reason, yeah.
Nice.
I want to do it because I genuinely like want
Nigga, you can go to the gym and still have sex. What is this guy saying?
something from you and with you, not for just a simple like.
So it has to do with Christianity as well. It talks about in Romans.
All right,
offer
Jesus,
our
I
bodies
see
as
you.
a living sacrifice, which is a good and reasonable, I'm underlining, reasonable service. It's a gift that I want to give to my future wife.
How old is everyone here, by the way?
22, 20.
22.
23.
26.
I'm 32.
32.
Nigga, you're not a 32-year-old virgin. Stop the fucking lies. There's no way.
3, 2, and you ain't never.
Wait, let's talk about that though, because if you are not married by 32,
32, like, what the fuck are you
will still
doing?
be a virgin, correct?
Yeah, but my God, and he ain't finna do me like
Yeah. Yo, this guy's funny. What the fuck is tattooed on his face? So I don't understand that. You have face tats, but that's not a bigger sin than virginity or sex? That's
My
crazy.
God loves me. It ain't no way you 32 and a virgin. I'm sorry.
I'm 32.
Yeah, I don't believe that.
I'm just gonna keep it.
Just the fact that that look that he has is like what's that guy's name? I don't even remember, but there's no way. I'm sure girls threw themselves at this nigga by now. There's no way, bro. There's no way. 32?
Seemed like he wanted to present.
A 32-year-old virgin has to be like a nerd type of looking nigga. Like, this nigga looks like some lumberjack out in some commercial. There's no way.
The extreme of his religion.
I'm voting out the Jesus suit.
Oh, shit.
I knew it too.
Tell us how you felt.
Oh, it was black. No, I'm kidding.
I'm gonna ask you, like, you're 32, how does that go?
I did say the black guy the first time.
Rough.
I mean, my body is ready. I want that. I want to be married, but I put more value on my walk with the Lord and my future wife.
Have you been in those opportunities where, like, maybe...
I could have had many opportunities, but I keep myself away from those types of things.
Yeah, I'm
Has
getting a
everybody
Jesus vibe here.
dated before, or have you guys had significant others?
I don't.
I've only
This
had
guy's a little suspicious too. The gym
Yeah,
one.
me too. I've only had one girlfriend.
I've had 2.
I've had
You have 2 girlfriends and you haven't had sex.
I never really had an official boyfriend, but like I had seen like 2 people, yes.
So I'll go out like on dates and whatnot, but nothing really official.
And have you guys kissed or...
Kissed, yes. Nothing beyond.
Got you.
One of my relationships was entirely long distance. She was in Portugal the whole time. So like my lips don't
She
really
didn't
stretch across
exist.
the ocean very well.
This guy's funny.
Have you guys ever fell in love before?
For sure.
Really? Even though you never dated anybody?
Yeah, for sure. I'm a very passionate person. When I was younger, obviously you have like those high school crushes and whatnot. I don't want to flex or anything, but my car outside, I bought it by myself. It's like 120K. I opened my own company, and that's all because I've stayed focused and not let myself become a part of, you know, like what's going on in society.
I have a question for you in the last 5 seconds. I feel like a lot of people accomplish a lot of things while still having sex and you just make time for it, or you can just like fap and forget about it. Like,
Yeah,
That
but
makes no sense.
when they do engage in that type of stuff, they go through a heartbreak. They could be successful, but they have to had like this battle before all that happened.
He kept
I think this
talking about
guy's
like his
talking
mindset and
fucker.
grind set, and it reminded me of like American Psycho.
Yo.
That guy.
Yeah, and I said him too. I also think Aaron is. It's either Aaron, this guy, or the black
I
guy.
thought I'd be
Everybody else.
eliminated, right away, but I've had naked women climb on top of me, and I still say no. And then the next day, I go submit 3 loans and make like $10,000.
Interesting. Cool.
What the fuck
if
does
you
that have to
think
do with each
the
other?
mole is still in the box and you wish to continue playing the game, please raise your hand.
Crazy.
Interesting. I didn't think y'all were gonna raise your hand. I have a bit of a accusation, and so Alex, I think that you made a mistake, and you're here rather to promote that virginity till marriage would have been the better option.
I've definitely been in the situations where me and my girlfriend were making out, and there are definitely worse scenarios that we could have gone farther than that. This is gonna sound bad, but I'm just too scared of my mom to be like, hey, I had sex.
But you only didn't have sex because of your mom.
When I turned 16, 17, that was when I really started diving into the Bible and reading more into it and kind of creating it for my own. And so,
What denomination is your church?
I'll be honest with you, I don't know which denomination it is, but
Okay.
we're Christians, so
Okay.
I'll say that.
Okay.
But
Suspicious.
He didn't know what his denomination was. Like, I feel
I
like every
say
religious person knows what their
suspicious.
denomination is. He definitely cares about his religion way more than I do, and I know that my denomination like the back of my hand. I don't tell anyone that I'm a virgin. It's definitely
I mean,
something
I think they
really
can
keep
see
under
that
wraps 'cause I
on
feel
your
very
forehead.
like, embarrassed and ashamed of it. Like I've failed somehow. Once when I was in college,
I would
was
feel
in
like
creative
that too.
writing class, and the teacher declared upon us, your next assignment is to tell the true story
Actually, I
of
know
your
what I'm
first
saying. I'm a
kiss.
virgin,
And
like-
I was like, oh God. And then she followed with, I know you've all had it. And it was like, oh, double God.
I do, yes, admit that I feel pressured to have sex because everyone else is talking about their guy, the girl, and I'm
Bro,
like,
I don't-
okay, I'm just like, what the F, you know?
I still don't think that when they do these type of tests or whatever you would call this, like games, they should include, like, he's talking about he's gay, right? So he's talking about, oh, like having sex with guys. Like, if guys want to have sex, it's way easier for a guy to just go have sex with another guy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they still move a different way than girls do. So I don't feel like he should be in the same boat as these people. But that's just my opinion.
I've been in band my whole life, starting in middle school, and I'm still in my college marching band. It's
Yeah, all
actually
these
kind of
guys are
uncommon when you
virgins,
say,
bro.
"Oh,
Except
yeah,
for
I'm not a
Jesus.
virgin," they're
Jesus
like,
is the
"What
only
kind of
person I'm
looking at?"
thinking at.
You play clarinet and you've had sex?
growing up, I played football my whole life, and so that was a very big deal, especially at the high school I went to. I would
Now,
say definitely
he's
at
a
that
little
time, I felt
suspicious
the
for real.
pressure of just society saying like, dude, you haven't had sex, just go for it. It's easy. I would rather wait. That's me. So.
I just felt like what Aaron said was really smart, and it felt like a big CSI moment. So I was like, oh, he definitely got him. That's it.
Really?
Bummer. I wish I had like a virgin card I could show you guys or something. But
If you think the mole is still in the box and you wish to continue playing the game, please raise your hand.
I'm just super curious why you two, I guess, didn't want to continue.
Because I think it was Alex. I think we are virgins.
Yeah, I thought that what you said during the last round was super smart. It felt like a big CSI moment. It's just like, oh, if you're wrong, then like I don't trust anything anymore. I think you definitely had the vibe of like a band kid who hasn't done it yet, which I can say because I used to be a band kid.
What'd you
who-
play?
I played trombone.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, but so you guys think there's still a...
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. Aaron, I think it's you. And respectfully, I think it's because you're imposing what you are onto what Alex was. And that's maybe what you did. And I'm thinking that you're, what's it
It's
called?
not.
One more thing is just that because of, you know, your age and everything, I don't think age is,
That's
it should
okay.
matter.
That's okay. It's hard to believe, yes.
Do you,
Bro, he's
I guess,
32.
like, what was your longest relationship?
About a year, a little over a year.
And then was there times where she wanted to, like, escalate it? Because
Of
I know
course.
you're, you know.
I've only dated Christian
Bro, shut the fuck
women.
up.
And
Like, that is the bullshit right there, bro. Don't act like Christian girls are out here like, oh my god, I don't want to have sex. Like, they do. That's
so
bullshit.
they've also wanted to maintain a
Shut
certain
up,
level
bro.
of purity.
Okay, I see.
It's Aaron, bro.
Ominous.
If it's not Aaron, it's that black guy. No vote.
It just seemed like he wasn't as confident as he was in the previous round, so I was like, okay, he gotta go.
That's Aaron.
If you think the mole's still in the box and you wish to continue playing, please raise your hand.
Alright.
Turn green. That means you have voted the mole out and you win.
Okay,
The
okay,
lights
okay,
turn
okay. I feel
red,
confident about this
the
though.
mole is still in the box, and you lose. 3, 2, 1.
There is no way!
It's you, huh?
No.
It's you.
You weren't
No,
surprised. You weren't
no,
surprised.
it's
You
you.
weren't surprised. You looked right at us. You weren't
No.
surprised.
On the count of 3, can the mole please step out? 1, 2, 3.
What up, y'all?
He good.
Yeah, he's good. He's fucking good. Damn, bro.
He good. Like, oh, I wanted to see him, but then the way he was talking, I'm like, nah. But turns out he get hella meow meow.
Well played.
That is crazy,
I
bro.
believed everything that you said.
I believed every
Most of what I
single
said
thing he
was
said.
true. Those personal stories, they were from before I, did the honky donk.
I see.
The fact that he says honky
I
donk
was like,
is.
oh, he plays
I
trombone.
still don't
play
believe.
clarinet. We're good.
Wait, so when did you have sex then?
Like 8 times or not 8 times, with 8 different people.
Meow meow. He get meow meow.
The big thing, the most important thing
I'm
that
actually
I would probably
shocked.
say today, and that's to all of the young men out there who don't look conventionally attractive and feel like they will never find love or sex because of it. No matter what you look like, there are plenty of people who are into that. It's just up to you to find them, treat them with respect, have good hygiene, you'll be just fine.
Facts. The
Celebrate
facts, my
your
guy.
cash winning.
Jeez, yo, this guy's smart still.
It's so slippery, I didn't expect that.
He was definitely really good, man. Let me know if you guys got that. I know nobody got that one, but appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, man. I'll see you guys.